Hi, I'm Janice from Mostly Blogging, and this is my dog, Big Mac. And together, we are going to tell you about the advantages and disadvantages of using YouTube for beginners to grow your channel. First, though, a couple of words of business we need to take care of. Please subscribe. You'll get more tips like this about YouTube growth, and you'll get a chance for a shout out in my next video. Today's shout out goes to Eric P. Show. Eric, thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. There are many advantages to using YouTube. First of all, people are there. They want to consume your content. Currently, 1.86 billion people use YouTube. That number grew last year during the lockdown caused by COVID. People are there. They want to watch your videos. You don't have to worry that you won't be able to find an audience. Next, ranking on YouTube is much easier in my experience than ranking on Google is for a blogger. Do you see the green numbers in my screenshot? This shows that my keywords did rank on Google for my Snapchat video that I only posted 2 weeks ago. However, there is a tremendous downside to trying to grow your YouTube channel, and that is getting subscribers. There are bigger channels than yours. People are used to going to those channels for the content they want in your niche. I recommend a controversial method of growing your channel called the sub for sub method. The sub for sub method is how I tripled the number of YouTube subscribers that I currently have. It entails a subscription for a subscription. I subscribe to your channel if you subscribe to my channel. Easy and a guaranteed method of growing your channel due to the reciprocal arrangement you make to get the subscriber. Critics of the method say that because the content is not in their niche, they are not going to watch your YouTube videos. Here is what I have to say to those critics. That's just silly. I'm interested in a lot of content, not in my niche. I have a friend who keeps challenging me to Tetris games, so I signed up for a Tetris channel. Yes, I got a subscription in return. Relaxing music, all sorts of content not in my niche I've signed up for. I'm genuinely interested in that content, have every intention of watching those videos. Comedy, the list goes on. Just because it's not in my niche doesn't mean I wouldn't watch the videos. So I do want to recommend this method. There's a psychological phase called the herd mentality. And according to the herd mentality, if it looks good, people think it is good. By growing your subscriber number, you will ultimately be able to get subscribers in your niche. That's what I have to say about how to grow your channel if you are a new YouTuber like we are. Once again, please sign up for more tips about YouTube growth and social media growth. This is Janice Wald, looking to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.